Prepositions, Part 2, a quick review of Part 1 with my cat, Pickles. Okay, let's do a quick review of the prepositions in Part 1. Here we go! Where's Pickles? She's in the red box. Where's Pickles? She's on the chair. Where's the bunny? It's under the Pickles doll. Where's the chick? It's in front of the hedgehog. Where's the yellow pillow? It's behind Pickles. Where's the bunny? It's between the chick and the Pickles doll. Where's the Pickles doll? It's next to the mouse. Where's the drone? It's above her head. All right, did you get the idea for each preposition? Now, let's see what you can do. Where's Pickles? And the answer is, she's on the windowsill. Where's Pickles? And the answer is, she's in the gym bag. Where's Pickles? And the answer is, she's under the curtain. Where's Pickles? And the answer is, she's in front of the heater vent. Where's Pickles? Where's Pickles? The answer is, she's behind the curtain. Where's the Pickles doll? And the answer is, it's next to the hedgehog. Where's the bunny? And the answer is, it's between the chairs. Where's the drone? And the answer is, it's above the water. Great work. Keep practicing, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? See you next time.